Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Automation Direct offers thousands of sensing products and accessories, and we now offer ProSense VCST series vibration sensors. These sensors accurately detect vibrations of industrial equipment, primarily rotating equipment such as steam and gas turbines, pumps, motors, compressors, and rolling mills. Vibration monitoring, also referred to as machine condition monitoring, can provide early detection of developing malfunctions, allowing for timely maintenance before major damage or failure results in costly repairs and production downtime. These MEMS-based sensors are available with a vibration velocity range of 0 to 25 millimeters per second or 0 to 50 millimeters per second and a frequency range of 10 to 1000 Hertz. They have an 18 to 32 volts DC operating voltage range, provide a digital P&P output switch, and a 4 to 20 milliamp analog output, and offer green and yellow status LEDs. They provide vibration sensing to standard DIN ISO 10816 and have an IP67 environmental protection rating and offer these agency approvals and come with a 5-year warranty. There are also several mounting accessories available for these vibration sensors. Learn more on the sensors we offer by visiting automationdirect.com/vibration-switches. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.